Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar X3. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC. Now, go to the Pulsar GG download and scroll down. Select X3. Select your type of the mouse. In my case it's ultra lightweight, a sports mouse. Right-handed. Select software and select download. Now, unzip the file and download the software. Install it. Create the scope shortcut if you want. And finish. In case your mouse is not recognized, select different type of the mouse. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.